what made you to choose the iNeuron specifically? Like there are so many other platforms in the market, according to the data science or some of the other courses. What made you the specific thing about the iNeuron?
See, first of all, the course curriculum that was defined in iNeuron, this full stack data science, was according to me what I was actually wanted. And the instructor who taught, like Krish sir and Sudhanshu sir, like I personally like I liked them because everybody I suggest them also like you watch their videos in order to get fundamental base clear. Okay, because they explain in such a way like a student is learning by himself.
Yeah.
So this is primary requirement that I thought that this would be fulfilled, so I joined this course accordingly. And the most importantly, the course fee was comparatively not, it is very less than other platforms.
How you felt about the projects and the assessments?
Projects and assessments, the one that iNeuron gave, that made me engaged actually. Okay, like that complete engagement was there, so that I can be more confident what I was at, from that position, so that I can be more confident like how projects are being done. Okay, and then after that full stack, that end-to-end project that Avnish taught us, then Krish sir made us understand in a better way. And when I did it my own, okay, so that exposure was something different. I cannot explain you by words. Okay, like there were many glitches that got solved automatically, actually. Okay, and later on I mentioned those in my resume that how I did because I did the project right, and I know where I faced difficulties. Every techie is know actually like in what part who can face difficulty. If it is simple a copy paste thing, so you'll not be able to explain right. And accordingly, but in New Sigma, what happened right? They asked me about the project, and they said where you got stuck on something. What are the challenges that you faced while doing the project? So I told them that was the genuine reasons that one can face when he's a beginner and he's trying to do all the projects right.
Thank you so much, Shubham.